So friend, Apple's next flagship smartphone is generating buzz in tech circles. Recent leaks suggest the iPhone 17 lineup will include an Ultra model featuring Apple's newest A19 Pro chip and a significant RAM upgrade. This premium device will likely come with 12 GB of RAM, a substantial increase from the current 8 GB found in iPhone 16 Pro and 15 Pro models, enabling better performance for AI features and multitasking. The iPhone 17 family is expected to debut in September 2025 with the Ultra positioned as the top tier option along with the upgraded processor and memory. Rumors point to camera improvements including a 48 megapixel telephoto lens and possibly a redesigned camera bump. This enhancement would represent Apple's continued push to differentiate its high-end models with premium features. Apple's iPhone 17 Ultra is expected to one of the most significant redesign the iPhone has seen in years. Leaks suggest Apple is moving away from its famous square camera island and adopting a new rectangular camera module with rounded corners. This revamped housing is said to include a triangle arrangement for the triple lens system, giving the phone a cleaner, more streamlined look. The back of the device may also get a major material upgrade. Reports point to a hybrid design that blends aluminum and glass, offering better durability without sacrificing wireless charging, combined with an improved anti-reflective coating on the front display, which is said to make it far more resistant to scratches. The iPhone 17 Ultra looks to be the toughest flagship Apple has made to date, and Apple is not holding back when it comes to camera technology. The front-facing camera is rumored to jump to an impressive 24 megapixels, which is double the resolution of its predecessor. That's a big deal for selfie lovers and video callers, with the promise of sharper images and better low light performance. And on the back, the telephoto lens could get a huge upgrade as well. And this also indicates it may feature a 48 megapixel sensor, offering not only cleaner zoom shots but also improved detail and color accuracy in regular photos. If these rumors hold true, the iPhone 17 Ultra might be Apple's most versatile photography tools yet. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.